Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang kalagayan dito sa Mindanao sa area ng Bangsa Moro Autonomous Region for Muslim Mindanao. Lalo na mga kapatiran nating Moro Islamic Liberation Front, okay? Si ating Secretary and Governor Manny Piñol, meron siyang post 13 hours ago. Sabi niya, breaking news. Alarm bells are ringing as Malacanang tinkers with BARMM autonomy. Kung alarm bells, yung warning, baka may mangyaring kaguluhan. Yun ang pagkakaintindi ko dito, yung alarm bells. Kasi alarm eh. Ano naman tong tinkers, Malacanang, yung pinakialaman ng administrasyong ito, ang autonomy ng BARMM. Bago lang pinalitan ng Pangulong Marcos Jr. yung Chief Minister ng BARMM, si Murad Ibrahim. Matagal na nung pumanaw ang dating late chairman na Salamat, ang pumalit na si Murad Ibrahim. Chief Minister siya ngayon. And for a long time, siya yung Chief Minister. Biglang pinalitan. Chief Minister Makakuwa. Siya ata ang leader ng Bangsamoro Armed Forces. Islamic Armed Forces, BIAP, siya ang leader. Kaya lang, ang overall, sa MILF Central Committee, ang Chief Minister, ang pinakamataas, itong si Murad Ibrahim. Pinalitan. Hindi maganda ang dating. Kaya ito, si General De Leon, nag-post din siya kahapon, sabi niya, Tore, kasuhan at arestuhin mo ang buong MILF sa pagbasura nila ng kautusan ni BBM. Ibig sabihin, yung in-appoint ni PBBM na bagong Chief Minister sa BARMM, hindi katanggap-tanggap ng buong leadership ng MILF. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Kaya nga, alarm bells are ringing, sabi ni Governor Secretary Manny Piñol. Okay. May ipinos ni Manny Piñol na Kutang Bato News. Tungkol ito sa posisyon ng MILF Central Committee, yung hindi nila pagtanggap sa leadership change. Basahin ko ha. Moro Islamic Liberation Front Central Committee disappointed with the change of current interim government to the so-called Consultative Assembly. Allegedly, the government broke the provision of the Comprehensive Agreement of the Bangsamoro. So, hindi nila matanggap yung pag-appoint ng bagong Chief Minister. Basahin ko ang post ng Kutang Bato News. The leadership of Moro Islamic Liberation Front released a statement in relation to the changes that have happened in the current setup of Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, where their leader, who is also Chief Minister Ahud Balawag Murad Ibrahim, was replaced by their Bangsamoro Islamic Armed Forces Chief Abdul Rauf Makakuwa. Came out the so-called gathering attended by 500 leaders of the organization from the political, military, religious sectors and other stakeholders who were many concerned and asked for explanation on the change that took place. Bakit ninyo pinalitan? Yun ang tanong. Pwede bang ipaliwanag? So, hindi nila tatanggapin yung pagpalit ng leadership. Kaya nga yung challenge ni General De Leon kay General Torre, kaya mo bang kasuhan at aristuhin ang buong MILF dahil hindi nila sinunod yung kagustuhan ng Malacanang? Allegedly based on inputs and recommendation of the Consultative Assembly, the MILF Central Committee identified the grievances, hinaing, and concerns of those who attended the recent BTA presidential election who failed to comply strictly with the officially endorsed list of 41 nominees submitted by MILF. This alleged non-compliance on the list of nominees is an interference, pakikialam, with the internal affairs of the MILF and directly violates the principle of autonomy as stated in the Bangsamoro Organic Law. It is said to be a distortion and contradicts Section 2, Article 16 of the Bangsamoro Organic Law, which states that the Moro Islamic Liberation Front will lead the Bangsamoro Transition Authority. This is also an alleged violation of the Comprehensive Agreement on Bangsamoro, particularly on Annex on Transitional Arrangement, stating that the BTA should be led by MILF. So, the unilateral decision to appoint new interim chief minister also allegedly did not help the national government despite the repeated sentiments of the MILF Central Committee issued through various resolutions to retain the former sitting interim chief minister. So, ito po, sana pagdasal po natin na wala nang babalik na kaguluhan. Kasi ako, naranasan ko yung kaguluhan, itong giyera ng MILF at saka ating gobyerno. Noong year 2000, nagkaroon ng all-out war. Kalakasan pa noon ng MILF. So, ang daming walang mananalo sa giyera. Ang daming nasayang na buhay, properties and everything. At mabuti, panahon ni PRRD, nagkaroon nata ng final peace agreement, maganda na ang setup, everything maganda na, hanggang ito pinakialaman. Binago bigla ang leadership. Siyempre, humalma ang MILF. So ano ba? Anong mangyari? Sana walang mangyaring kaguluhan. Okay.
Ang lumalaban ng maayos sa lipunan, yan ba gagawin nyo sa amin? Hindi kami lalaban, wala kami mga armalite, wala kami barel. Ang tanging dala-dala lang namin ay ang paninindigan namin sa buhay na hindi namin kayang magpabayad kahit kailanman.